Hello and good afternoon, guys. Welcome to MK Convenience Brokerage. My name is Mohammed. In this video, I'm going to help you guys explain to you how to apply for the new ITIN Acceptance Agents program. For those of you that don't know what the ITIN Acceptance Agent is, it's for those people that don't have a social security number that need to file taxes, but they need to get assigned a special number in order to file taxes. For those people that have been filing taxes as a tax preparer, as an enrolled agent, as a CPA, we all know that we do need some type of number to put in to file taxes. Most people will use a social security number, or if they're a business, they might use EIN number. But for regular people, like for filing individual taxes, you do need a social security number to do that. There might be another way that I don't know of, but as of now, social security number is what most people use. But for those people that don't have that, they need an ITIN document, basically identification number, in order for you to do that. So I'm going to explain to you a little bit about how to apply for one if you are an agent, how to apply for one, and what you need to do. So again, it's very simple. There's two types of basically acceptance agents. There's a certified acceptance agents, CAAs, and there's certified agents. I believe there's two types. One of them you don't need to take the classes. The other one you do. What I understood so far, and it tells you exactly on the IRS website. So it's very simple. So again, for example, this is the training that I'm talking about. So what you need to do in steps for those two is simple. You need to complete Form 13551, the application PDF, which I'll go to the next screen to show you exactly. You need to complete the mandatory ITIN Acceptance Agents training. This is something I'll go over the next video. It has about an 80-page slide. You manually do it, you read through it, and then you send them in. Attach the certification form for authorized representative person listed in Block 5 of the application 13551, which is this, and complete the forensic training and submit the certificate of completion to the IRS. CAA applicants only. As you can see, this training, number 4, is for the CAA applicants only, not applying for the certified agents, which I'll go to this screen. See, as you can see, there's two types, acceptance agents and certified acceptance agents. Now, by going by this, it's only showing you that you only need the training for this. This training is, again, manual, meaning that you could go on your own. There's no test. There's no type of quiz. They're not going to give you anything. You read this on your own. So basically, once you read this on your own, you could generate a PDF certification. So what they're saying is that as a certified accepted agents, I should say, you only need to do this. You need to complete this form, and that's about it, and send it to them. If they do need any type of additional requirements, they will ask you. Obviously, they will do a background check on you, and then once you send them the form, that's it. So this is where you usually send them the form to the Internal Revenue Service, Internal Revenue Service, 3651 S.1IH35. Stop. This is the whole address, basically, kind of weird address, but that's the one you're using, and basically that's it. So make sure, if you always want an extra training and everything, you could always go with the IRS. They give you a lot of good trainings, but it's really simple. Obviously, if you have any questions, ITIN program office at irs.gov could always give you if you do have any other questions. But basically, that's what I understood so far. As you can see, it's really easy. The certified accepting agents is what the real deal is. For those people that want to do that, that's another step forward. But let's go on the application. So this is the application that they're talking about. The application to participate in the IRS Acceptance Agent program. So as you can see, which one are you applying for? Again, this is a class you need to take. This is something that I was telling you about. Where is it again? Is this the ITIN Acceptance Agents training program? Again, it's a PowerPoint slide and everything. You don't have to go through anything like that, like, special training. This is what you need. This is what I understood so far. Again, are you a new applicant? Most likely you will be. If you are not, then you're renewing. If you are amending your application, well, guess what? We're not. Check the box that describes best organization status. I will say I'm a sole proprietor. Professional status of authorized representative individual listed on line 5. I might consider myself as a tax preparer. Legal name of business, well, let's say, I don't know, C Brokerage. Let's put it like that. Business electronic EFIN number, well, you guess what? You do need that. For those of you that do not know what EFIN is, it's an electronic filing number. Tax preparers, enrolled agents, CPAs, attorneys will know what that is. Again, if you gonna jump the gun and do this, you won't be able to. You do need an IFIN number that I know so far, as best of my knowledge. But you could always email them and let them know that if you need it or not. I have it. I put it in, but EIN number is required, as you can see. IFIN might be an optional, but again, I will email them just in case, because you don't want to send them something and find out that you don't have, you needed it, and now your application gets delayed. I will always verify with them just in case, because again, I'm not perfect, you're not perfect. Let's ask the sources what they say. EIN number, again, is a business number. It's for those people that have a business. You will have an EIN number because you're creating a sales tax identification paperwork, basically. You use that number for that. Name and PTIN or principal partner or owner of the business. Again, you need to have a PTIN number in order to file taxes, or should I say becoming an acceptance agent. Name and PTIN of authorized representative of the business. Again, you're doing this, put your information in. Your date of birth, your social security number, your home address. Again, are you a U.S. citizen? Yes or no? I will put yes. Have you been assessed as a preparer of penalties? If not, then usually no. If yes, well, guess what? You're going to explain that to them. Doing business as, if you are, let them know. Business location. If more than one location, attach continuous sheets. Again, if you have, obviously let them know. Mailing address of the business, if different from line 1, 2. If it is different, then it's different. Again, all these questions need to be answered. Does the business provide tax-related service year-round? Yes or no? If no, why not? Why are you not doing it? Most people will say yes, because you are a tax preparer, you are doing it. How many Form W7 application does the business plan to submit within a 12-month period? If you are submitting a W7 application, how many are you submitting it? Complete the following information for primary contact if different than an authorized representative on line 5. Primary contact name, again, all that stuff. Complete the following information for an alternate contact if different from individual listed on line 5. Again, are you the different person? Then yes, fill it out. If not, then obviously you could read the question what they're asking you. This is usually for more than people. If you like to be included as a published agent located on the IRS website, heck yeah, I want to be one of them. Name and title of authorized representative from line 5, and name and title of principal owner of owner. Once you do that, date it, you go on the bottom, and obviously this is the instruction for form 13551. You want to read it, it's on you. I mean, it's like what they tell you about the whole information. As you can see, you go to the next page, it looks kind of similar. Well, it somewhat is. It's the same if you have more than one ITIN agent, you could put it in. But I don't know if you need to fill this out. I personally did, just in case. But I just put myself again over here, the whole information, because again, I wanted to make sure I did everything right rather than missing blanks. I rather filled everything in. So I copied and pasted myself over here, again, all my information over here. Some of the things was kind of repetitive again. I believe this is for more than one ITIN accepting agents for one firm. I filled out all that stuff out, and again, all that, it's like similar to what we did on the page 1. Once you fill all that in, I then went here, printed out the certificate, signed it, dated it, I attached it with this, and I send it to the IRS mailing over here. Once you do that, then IRS will contact you if there's any mistakes or whatever the case is, and once you're done, you're done. That's it. That's all it matters at the end of the day. But that's about it. Thank you again, guys, for watching this video. Hopefully you guys understood it. Again, if those of you that are trying to become CAAs, that's a little bit different. Again, AAs and CAAs, both of them must conduct an in-person interview with each applicant. They're all, like the reason you're doing this, you want to make sure the person is legit. You know, you right now, COVID, a lot of stuff is changing. You know, I'll just follow wherever you are, follow the guidelines where you are, and make sure you do everything the right way, because you're responsible for issuing them the ITIN agent. You need to make sure who they are, get their license, get whatever information they have. You have to verify for them. So make sure whatever you're doing, make sure you do it the right way, because in the end of the day, it's your license, it's on the risk, not theirs. So you got more to lose than them. So I would make sure I would have everything by the book, do everything what I'm supposed to do, and make sure you do it correctly. With that being said, that's about it. Thank you again, guys, for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any other questions, comment, concern, please comment, like, subscribe. I'll answer any question you guys have. Again, it's a simple process applying for an AA, accepting agents, compared to a CAA. For those of you that want to be a CAA, I'm completely honest with you, go for it. Don't want to. CAAs have more power authority to do certain things more than AAs. It's like being a property agent or a broker. A broker has a lot of stuff you could do, but agent you can't. You're limited by certain things. It's the same exact thing for an AA and CAs. Again, if you have any questions at all, if you're confused, let me know. Comment in the section. I'll try to help you guys out, resolve whatever issue it is, and I'll try to help you out. Thank you again, guys, for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it.